Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is professional flares in CDR file for Corel properties are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe me for latest video editor. First I show you flares design. You can import your photo and same color, write anything. Business, real estate, gym and sale offer. Okay. Here is a food, pizza, and for example, open this one in CorelDRAW, unlock layer, object, power clip, edit power clip, import any photo and press Ctrl S for saving. Okay. Oh, sorry, not Photoshop. Finish edit level and that's mean these are editable. And here is unlock. Depend your choice. Design headline and place it here. Here is for children. Simply you can edit everything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.